was going to lose, and sad for Puerto Rico, but in other way, it's a good news for Haiti. We're seeing them in a reunion now, both teams. So congratulations for Haiti and also for Puerto Rico.
Celebration, the happiness with the Haitians.
Dancing all around. And now going with the highlights of this grand finale match. Haiti against Puerto Rico. From the beginning to the end. Really good players. Really good teams. Great job also from referees. First arrival from Puerto Rico right there. Great job from Carlos Ayala. And here the first chance from Haiti. Unbelievable. Denixon couldn't score that first chance, and then he created one. But a great save from Sebastián Román. At the moment was 0-0. Great combination in that right side of the pitch. 80 players, and a great shot right here from Christensen, who later on will score 2 goals and give assists in the game. Good skills, and that was the first half that ended 0-0. Starting the second half, Haiti with all pressure. Great shot right there from again Denixon, who had some clear chances, and this one was so close. All Haiti players couldn't believe that at that time they haven't scored yet. So here comes the first goal. What a golazo from Christensen from outside the box. Great shot. Good job from this player today. All determined. Now with the back heel right there, giving an assist to LeBron to score a left shoot. Tremendous goal. At the moment was 2-1. Later on, Puerto Rico tries to get closer. Great free kick and a good save from Kirby. And there's Puerto Rico goal from number 13 who came out of the bench. Juan Agosto Pomales. Great assist from Gabriel Murati. And now will come 2 great goals from Haiti, 2-1 from the court, and a great pass from LeBron, scoring Christensen. At the moment, 3-1. And 4 minutes later, will come another goal for Haiti by the hand of LeBron, who did it again. So out of 4 goals from Haiti, 3 were from outside the box. Amazing match. So there you have some celebration after the game. The players are ready.
Let's go with the ceremony, central ceremony
Garcia,
of this tournament.
President, Federación Fútbol Dominicana. FIFA Development Manager, Marlon Gleam. Ladies and gentlemen, damas y caballeros, the winner of the 2020 CFU Boys Under 14 Challenge Series, Haiti, and the 2021 Girls Under 14 Challenge Series, Haiti. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain in your seats. The awards medal ceremony will start in a few minutes. To the President of the Dominican Republic, F.A. Ruben Garcia, in appreciation for the extremely gracious hospitality. A round of applause for our most gracious host. Board member Sonia Fulford will now present the medals of recognition to the match officials in today's finals. Congratulate the runners-up of the 2020 CFU Boys Challenge Series, Puerto Rico, La Isla Encanto. Congratulate our referees, they did a wonderful job. Round of applause for the match officials. Please make lots of noise and congratulate the runners-up of the 2020 CFU Boys Challenge Series. Puerto Rico, La Isla Encanto. FIFA Development Manager Marlon Green will present the medals to the runner-ups. present the medals to the champion team, and CFU President Randolph Harris will present the trophy to the boys captain of Haiti. Presenting the trophy to the boys captain of Haiti, CFU President Randolph Harris.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, in that way, we are arriving to the finish, to this broadcasting, and has been a pleasure, Armando.
For me as well. I want to thanks to all the team, all who have been part of the team, and congratulations to the winners, and also thanks the Caribbean Football Union and Felo Football for all this organization and spectacular that we have had.
Well, just I made the thanks to Caribbean Football Union for this opportunity, for this tournament, to Federación Dominicana de Fútbol, to staff, technical, producers, and casters, and all the people who was connected for watch the match during all this week. Thank you, everybody, and bless for all.